8th period. We hope you enjoy this tutorial where
Andrew,
Ryan,
and me, Jada, will be enlightening a few of your senses by showing you how to make
the perfect brownie.
Let's get into it.
So Jada, what are the key ingredients that we need to make the perfect brownie?
Well, Ryan, the key ingredients to making your perfect brownie is first, you're going to need 3 eggs and 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. The brand is optional, but we personally chose the Jada brand because the brownies always turn out
Perfect. Then you want to get 3/4 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
and then you'll need 3/4 cup of melted butter, and then 3/4 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. And it's optional, but we all know we love chocolate chips.
So once you have all these measurements put together, you want to start mixing your ingredients, but you have to take care in the way you order them.
because if we just threw all of these ingredients in any random type of order into the mixing bowl, the consistency would not be the way you would want it to be.
So what you're trying to say is throw in all the dry ingredients and then the wet ingredients?
You got
right,
it.
Andrew. So let's just start off with the dry ingredients. What I'm going to do first is put in the flour. Then I'm going to put the sugar. Then I'm going to add the salt.
And next, I'm going to put in the cocoa powder. And then I'm going to crack up 3 eggs.
We suggest that you put 3 eggs first because it is the wet ingredient. Then you would carry on to put the butter.
Now adding the butter.
Then we start the mixing. So I'm just going to clear my way here. This might take a while because you got to get it just right, the right color,
Right consistency.
Or it won't be perfect.
You got it, Andrew.
So as you can see here, it's getting a little bit darker and darker as we go. I want to make sure all of the ingredients are put in to the mix. You don't want any remnants on the side. And there we go.
And now we can add the chocolate chips. Once again, it is optional, but who doesn't like chocolate?
You're right, Jada. Rain
Got
down.
that stuff in there.
Oh yeah. So I'm just gonna mix it up a little bit more so that these chocolate chips can be covered. And we have our mix. It's already looking so good here. So you can keep mixing that up a little bit. And the next step we need to do is get a pan about this size, and you want to get parchment paper, all right? So you want to have the parchment paper slightly over the edge of the pan. Why is that?
Because when you serve or when you pour the mixture into the pan, when you're cooking it, it will stick to the side of the pan. That's why you have the parchment paper, so it'll make it easier to serve.
All right, we're just about ready to put in the mix. And when you're putting the mix into the parchment paper, you don't want to you know, you don't want it to be bumpy. You want to spread out the mix like Jada's about to do. Put it all in there. Make sure you get all the mix so you have the perfect amount for the perfect brownie. And spread it out.
Almost done. Just getting the little few scrapings out of the bowl. Help me out a little, Andrew.
Sure. I think that's good.
I can already see the look in your eyes about these brownies. It's so good. You guys, just wait. You're in for a treat. And there we have it. We have the mix all into the parchment. Now we just spread it out like Jada's about to do. You want to make all of it even, you know? Because when you're serving, you don't want it to be like a huge ball. You just
Even it out a little.
Yep.
And
So-
there you have it.
After we're done with that, how do we cook it?
You preheat your oven to 325 degrees, and then you set your brownies in there for 20 to 30 minutes.
How will I know when it's done?
Well, you're gonna stick a toothpick into the brownie, and if it comes out dry, then you're gonna know that your brownies are done. But if it comes out wet and you still have the little cakey stuff, you need to put it in for a few more minutes.
Okay.
Okay, so
Time to put it in the oven. And now, we just have to wait. But for now, thanks for watching this tutorial. But, I don't know if you guys noticed, but we've been going over the things that we've been learning the past few weeks in study skills. We've been showing you guys how to be physical smart because you guys are about to eat the brownies.
we've showed you how to be mathematical smart by showing you how to measure out all the ingredients.
And we showed you how to be visual smart by watching this video.
And I don't know if you guys noticed, but the musical smart is smooth jazz. Now, enjoy your perfect brownie. So good.
That's a perfect brownie.
Oh yeah.
Bye guys.
Enjoy
Thanks for watching our tutorial on how to make
the
a
perfect brownie.